My name is Alex Jackson, and I'm a photographer, explorer, and creator. On this YouTube channel, you'll find my comings and goings, adventures, and experiences as I explore all that North America has to offer. Well, I finished bolting down my canopy. I still have my hands. They're not totally frozen off. Good thing. I've made my measurements for the first few cuts for the bed platform. I made this very, very technical diagram. A lot of people ask me if I make like plans, like layout plans for all my builds, and no, I don't. I just kind of go and start cutting pieces and see what happens. It's really the best way to do it. So yeah, I'm just going to start cutting pieces of wood and shaping them to fit, and then eventually it will create a bed platform.
Hi there, everybody. It's me again. So I'm heading to the shop this morning a little bit earlier than the last few days. I'm gonna do a big push to get everything done and built. I've got a lot to do because I want to build the whole structure, do all of the coatings and sanding, and well, sandings and then the coatings, and I also want to do the electrical. So I've got a lot to do. Ha! Perfect! Alright, so that's the first sheet cut on the bottom. What I still gotta do is put like slats underneath that just kind of go in the ribs of the box so that it doesn't move around. And then I'll start building the walls and the top platform and all of that fun stuff. I've got all my pieces cut for the kind of initial three-dimensional shape. I'm gonna turn it over and pre-drill a bunch of holes so that I can glue it and screw it. Yep! Hey there friends, I haven't really said this in the other videos, but I'll start saying it now. If you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, maybe leave a comment below, I would greatly appreciate it. It'll really help me start to achieve this dream of becoming a traveling YouTube vlogger. And yeah, that means I can make more videos for you and show you what I'm doing.